Good morning, beautiful people. Dylanthebank here with a good investment opportunity. I'm sure you guys have heard of Litecoin. Right now it's at $273, but I'll get into pricing right now. So what is Litecoin? Basically, I'm sure you guys have heard of Dogecoin. Similar concept where it's supposed to be super fast, supposed to be enabled for microtransactions. So here you can read, Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near-zero cost payments to anyone in the world. It's open source, decentralized, and fun fact, it's actually a fork of Bitcoin, so it has a lot of similarities. Bitcoin has a 21 million supply limit, and this one has 84 million. So it's about 4 times bigger in scale, and it's also faster. So Mimblewimble is a new update that should have already taken place in about March. And let me see right here. What is Mimblewimble? So in Mimblewimble, there are no addresses and transactions are fully confidential. So it adds this optional layer of privacy that Bitcoin does not have. Like Bitcoin is almost anonymous, but it can be tracked and traced. So because it is on a public ledger and you do have these addresses. But I guess Litecoin with this Mimblewimble update is making it fully private, eliminating like the use of other privacy coins such as like Dash, Zcash, Monero. But yeah, so this is very bullish, very positive for Litecoin. I did want to do a simple comparison of like, since it is nicknamed the silver to gold, like the Litecoin to Bitcoin, I did want to just do a simple comparison of actual gold per ounce and silver. So right now, gold per ounce is $17.75. And silver per ounce is 26. $17.75 divided by 26. That's a ratio of about 68 that silver has to gold. So now if we look at Bitcoin right now is at 57,751. So let's be exact. And 68.27. So 57,000, I forgot already. Divided by 68 would be my price range for Litecoin. So it should be minimum at about 800 to about 1,000, and I'll get into that right now. So now if we go into Coinbase and we look at the price history or the price action of Bitcoin, so if we go all time, since 2017 it was at 20,000. It's grown 3 times like since then. And then if we go to Litecoin, all-time high was 420. Shout out to all my stoners. So if we multiply 420 times 3, it's like about 1260. And the other range was about 830. So it should be about $800 to $1,200 by the end of the year would be my price analysis prediction. And then let's go into here. So that's just like the simple analysis. Now getting into like a more fundamental analysis, like the use case of it actually being used by developers, by consumers. So this is an interesting use case. This is a decentralized application. Let me go ahead and click on it. Lightbringer right here. A truly decentralized application. The whole game takes place in the Litecoin blockchain with no servers involved, giving the players unprecedented control over the game. But play smart and make money. So right here, every move you make in the game is a transaction in the Litecoin blockchain that creates value. Every weapon, item, and even your characters can be traded safely and without limits thanks to the power of cryptocurrency. Make smarter decisions than the other players and earn money while enjoying the game. So this is changing the way games are going to be now. Like, for example, Fortnite, you buy a costume. It has no value other than the value that you gave to the developers of the game. But now let's say I want to sell it to my friend, or I don't want to play Fortnite anymore. I could go ahead and sell that, all those costumes and all that hard work and time that I put into the game. Like it's actually more valuable now. It's not just a waste of time. Like I can make money off gaming now. So this is an interesting concept and use case. And I'm excited to see like more innovations. Okay, so next we have Grayscale. And this is a big institutional hedge fund. They're opening the way for institutional investors to get into Bitcoin, like Litecoin, all these cryptocurrencies. And interestingly, they're buying 80% of all the Litecoin mined in February. Like, this is huge. And the price action has not even reflected that. As you can see, so this was in February. So it was about 180, 150. I mean, since then it's already like 2x, but that's nothing. Like, like I said, I'm predicting it between 800 and 1,200. So back to here. And then just a quick technical analysis. Here's like the charts and all that. This is a good article if you guys want to read it. But this is where we are. So that top, you know, you guys can't see it, but it should be like about $800 right there that they're predicting with technical analysis, and that's by the end of the year. Normally during bull runs, people tend to get excited, FOMO, fear of missing out. Everybody starts investing and they want to get in on this money. So then people buy in at the top and it like inflates the price even more. So we could even see like easy like $1,000 Litecoin by the end of the year. And then and it's all cycles. So once you realize it, it's like the seasons, but it's like an upward cycle. So then it kind of repeats itself. And I could go more in depth into this technical analysis. I just don't want to make the video too long. But here are the like potential highs of 2021, 1250. Next year, 2,500. Then we have a bear market. People cash out money. The cycle. So by 2023, it might crash to like 1,000. And then 2024 to 25, the next bull run, we could see Litecoin potentially at $10,000. Stupid. I got a robot, a iRoomba, or what is it? A Roomba, iRobot. Like the vacuum, that shit started cleaning right now, so hopefully you don't hear that in the background. I'll try to edit that out. But yeah, this is my price prediction, my market analysis of Litecoin for the end of the year and the path to $1,000. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence before spending your hard-earned cash. But this is a very, very, very great investment opportunity. And if you are interested in purchasing Litecoin, you can visit me on Instagram. My @ is Dylanthebank. And you can go ahead and click the link on my bio. It will take you to my link tree. And here on Coinbase Exchange is the most popular. Very simple to sign up. It's one of the most trusted and like the most popular. They just had an IPO. They just went public on the stock market, so they're trading at about $300 right now. But yeah, you get $10 for using my referral link. You also help me out, and that's a good place to buy Litecoin for cash. Take care. Have a good one.